Let's create a jar. Add a new cylinder with just 32 sides. We will duplicate it and move it up a bit to create the lid. By selecting the bottom edges and moving up to fit the height. Now extrude the top edges and scale, and repeat till we reach the top. Let's delete the top faces and fill, and choose Grid Fill in Face menu. Turn on Constraint Influence and pull the middle vertex so the others follow smoothly. Add a bevel modifier. We want to bevel just 2 edge loops, and we do so by turning the limit method to weight in the bevel modifier, and then raising its value to 1 in the bevel weight item panel. Let's adjust roundness on top too by using the Smooth Vertices tool. Turn on Auto Smooth and Smooth Shade. On the jar, we need to have more loop polygons, so we choose Loop Cut and Slide. And using the middle mouse wheel, we'll increase the number of intersections to look like squares. This is very important, so the physics engine understands better the collision's space. Now we delete the top face, add a bevel modifier to adjust the bottom. And then a solidify to give some thickness. Let's give more polygons to the bottom so it handles collisions better. And choose Grid Fill in Face menu. It looks okay now. Let's mark the seams to the mesh. And bring up the logo for the jar. An image in PNG with no background. And unwrap the jar. Scale the UVs. I realize I should have created the material earlier, so we could check the results right now. So we add a new material. Hit Ctrl T to have an image texture node set up. We choose the logo PNG texture. Link the alpha sockets and clip the image instead of repeat. Let's adjust the image distortion by scaling on the x-axis only. Press S and then X. Looks okay now. Now we need to create a glass looking to the jar. Duplicate BSDF node with Shift D. And add a mixer shade. Connect to the material output and the first BSDF to the second slot on the mixed shader. Connect the second BSDF to the first slot and the image alpha to the mixed factor. Transmission at maximum and lower the roughness. It looks reflective and seems to have refraction like glass. Let's give the lid a new blue material and also plastic looking. The more roughness we decrease, the more reflective it gets.